Hey everyone, welcome back to Victoria Makes. In this video, I'll show you how to make a crispy bread egg lollipop snack using simple ingredients like bread, potato, cheese and boiled eggs. It's perfect for tea time or as a quick snack box for kids. Here is how we make it. Ingredients for egg bread lollipop. First, let's prepare the potato filling. Boil and mash the potatoes, then add chopped onion, garlic powder, chili powder, chaat masala, cumin powder, pepper powder, salt and some coriander leaves. Mix everything well and set it aside. Trim the edges of the bread slices. Add a cheese slice on the bread and cut it into 4 pieces. Add some green chili sauce and garlic chili sauce on the bread slice and spread it evenly. You can also use any spread of your choice. Now spread the potato filling on one side of the bread and cut each slice into 4 pieces. Now let's arrange them on a square stick. I have some boiled eggs cut in half. To make the slurry, I have taken 3 tablespoons of plain flour, added a pinch of salt and mixed it well. Add the water little by little and mix well until it becomes smooth and lump free. Dip the egg lollipop in the slurry mixture, then coat it with breadcrumbs and keep it ready for frying. Heat some oil in a pan and fry the egg lollipops until they are lightly golden and crispy. And that's it. The egg bread lollipop is ready. Serve it hot with some ketchup or your favorite dip and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching Victoria Makes. I hope you enjoyed this simple egg bread lollipop recipe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy and happy cooking.